Hello, my name is Sammy Jarrett with Optimized Marketing Solutions. A friend of mine sent me this picture here of one of his clients wanting this picture, Goosehead Insurance, to go on the back of a tire cover like this. So we can have it spaced or placed like this without the back, but you're not going to be able to tell what that is. And the original picture has a square around it. So what I'm going to do is attempt to circle that, just make it into a circle. And the way I usually do that is over at Pixlr. It's a free tool, Pixlr.com. It's pretty easy to use. I've been using it for several months now. Undo. Let's see if we can make the view bigger. Resize. Cancel. Resize the canvas. Let's make it 1000. 1000. There we go. See, we got a bigger playing field now. And I'm only recording because I don't ever record, and I'm supposed to have videos, and I don't have any videos. So this is me recording a video of me attempting to round this thing off. Whoops. Got rid of all of it. Undo. I lost my pick. There we go. Got it back. Look at there. Got a circle now. God dang. Save it. Download it. Leave it. Close it. Alright. And we got it. And it only took me 15 minutes. See? Got it. Now I'm going to send this to my buddy, and he'll send it to his client, and we'll see about making a deal.